50 dispatch.
50.
Show me 10-8.
10-4 copy. 50.
Today's verse of the day is Matthew 6:23. But if your eyes is evil, your whole body will be full of darkness. If there is light that is in you is darkness, how great is the darkness? Fifty dispatch.
50.
1028, 24 Quebec, India, Zulu 302. Gonna be on a pickup truck. Uh-oh. There's gonna be some thunderstorms. Yep, here we go, guys. We got the National Weather
Copy,
Service.
standby. 2-4 Queen, Ida, Zebra, 302. Okay, I have a return for you, showing expired. Okay, I have a plate return, coming back as a suspended license.
The National Weather Service in Los Santos has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Los Santos County, Blaine County, until approximately 8:21 p.m.
Oh, guys. I'm gonna have to go out in this weather now. Alright. 50 dispatch.
50.
Show me on the traffic side with that vehicle on East Joshua Road, westbound.
10-4, 50. Showing you on scene, please reference CAD 6578.
Alright, let me see if I can get the raincoat. Oh, this lady.
All units stand by.
The weather's bad, guys. He just crashed. Oh, come on. Show me in pursuit 50. Gonna be on West Joshua Road.
10-4. Dispatch unit, can I get an updated 20?
Joshua Road. Target last seen heading.
Suspect is heading west.
Oh, this rain.
Dispatching air unit from Central Station.
Request pit. Hopefully we can get approved to...
50.
Yep.
You are go for pit.
We don't have a lot of vehicles on the road, so this would be perfect.
Target spotted heading
Oh,
east, doing 70 miles per hour.
I'm about the way.
Sonora Road.
Hey, where you at, dude? Oh! Right here. Alright, guys, took off my jacket. Have my gunpoint request back up. Still on, we're in Sonora, eastbound.
10-4.
Alright, get out of the car. Alright, we're gonna cuff her up real quick. This rain is brutal.
Near the Redwood Lights racetrack area.
All units code 4.
50 dispatch, request female officer to my location, please. Request a female officer.
Copy, I'll get him en route. Near the Redwood Lights racetrack area.
Request tow truck for this pickup truck, please. Flatbed.
I'll notify the nearest tow yard. I'll see if they can get a flatbed. Near the Redwood Lights racetrack area.
I am soaked, guys. I am soaked. Another thing is we never go hungry and we don't get wet. We try not to get wet, but this is part of the job. Alright, let's have this deputy pat her down. Make sure she don't have no weapon. The pickup truck's gonna be towed. We'll get a warrant to search the vehicle. But yeah, we're gonna have, she got some unmarked pills. So we'll have this deputy
Near the Redwood Lights
take
racetrack
her
area.
in for us, and we will continue on patrol. I appreciate it, deputy. Let's walk with her, just to make sure everything is fine. Wow, now that we finished, guys, the weather stops. Ay, ay, ay. Alright. Come on, man, we don't have all day. Alright, thanks again, deputy. Alright, let's get back on the Tahoe. Hopefully we can dry up a bit. We're gonna have to turn around.